Hello everyone, Aaron here from ASM Computing. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the duplex system. Now what this means is if you have a PC connected to your router or router and you want to transmit double the speed backwards and forwards, then I recommend doing this setting, just changing it over. It won't actually affect your router's settings, it just, as I say, it increases your speed and doubles up on the data that's transmitted from point A to point B. Now a lot of the old duplex systems, or when you have your settings set to duplex, it will only allow you to send from point A to point B. Whereas if you have the full duplex set, it allows you to send from A to B and B to A at the same time, so simultaneously. So I just thought I'd show you this quick little tutorial and show you how to do it. As I say, if you've got a wired connection and you have your PC or laptop connected to your router all the time, then I would recommend doing this. If you use your laptop wirelessly but you have a PC connected to the router, do this to your PC. The laptop will still work. You'll still get quick connections, but obviously you can't actually do this trick on your wireless laptop or your wireless PC. It has to be connected to your router. Now I'll show you how to do this. What you need to do is come to Start, and you want to go to your control panel. Now in Vista, I believe you can select network, and XP, I believe you can select network connections. Now basically the easiest way I find for showing beginners is just to go into the control panel. I know there is quicker links, but as I say, because of showing new guys, I just thought I'd do it the basic way and just go in easier, try and save these guys looking for how to get there. So click on Start and go to Control Panel, and come down, and in Windows 7 and Vista you have Network and Sharing Center in the Control Panel. In XP I know that you have Network Connections as an option, so that's the one you want to select. So let's open Network and Sharing Center. As you can see, I'm on Windows 7. Just waiting for this to open. And in here it tells you your connections, shows you your home groups and whatnot. So what we want to do is we want to go to the adapter settings, or XP should say manage your wired connection or manage your internet connection. And as you can see here, I have a normal Intel Pro VE network connection, which is just basically the RJ45, the yellow cable that comes from the back of the router into the back of the PC. Now that's why I say you have to make sure it's a wired connection to be able to do this. So what you want to do is right click. Oops, sorry, let's try that again. Okay, come down to Properties. Sorry about this, guys. And once it opens, you'll be shown a Properties tab with options. Now here, you don't have to worry about selecting any of these or installing or uninstalling anything. And once you've done this, it will disconnect you from the internet, and then it will reconnect you. So there's no need to actually shut down your computer. So we want to click on Configure. And here we get another tab of properties options, and we want to select Advanced on this one. Now in here you see on your properties list, you should see one for link speed and duplex. Now, it could be called different things, but most of the time it is just called link speed and duplex, or just speed and duplex. But you will actually see duplex in there, so as long as you see that, just select that option. Now you can see I've already set mine. But if you actually use the drop down list, you'll see that you've got auto detect, 10 megabyte per second half duplex, 10 megabyte per second full duplex, and then you've got half and full duplex for 100 megabytes per second. Now what you want to do is select the 100 megabytes per second full duplex. So I'll just show you that there so you can actually see what that says. Now once you've selected that, you want to select OK. Now obviously mine's different because I've already changed it, but you should get a button asking you to apply it, then select OK, and then it will disconnect from the internet, or the router will restart and connect back up. But don't worry, it's just the way it configures itself. You won't get no problems with the router. It's just the same as restarting. So let it do its thing, let it reboot. And so not the computer, just the router. Let it reboot up, and you'll still be able to get on your internet and carry on doing what you're doing. If you wanted to have a read up on this, you can actually come here, and it's tcpipguide.com. Now rather than writing in all of this big long address here at the top, you can, well, I found it just from going through Google. I knew where the place was, I just couldn't remember obviously the address here. So what you can actually do is, if you look to the right of this video, you will see in the description area I will put this link, so you can click there to get to this page, and you can actually read through and see for yourself what the full duplex, half duplex, and the normal duplex actually do, just for your own opinion to actually want to do or not. As I say, it doesn't do anything to the computer, and it does help it out a lot. Okay guys, well, hope you like this, and this was mainly a quick tutorial for Adam at directlty, as we've been talking, and he actually said about his bandwidth, so I private messaged him, asked him if he'd like me to help him out with this, show him a quick little trick. So yeah, so there you go Adam, this is for you man. Just do that and you should notice a difference. Okay, see you later guys.